Did I need to do post like this or no?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Perfect. Hey, how's everybody doing? Good, I hope. Now, it's been a while since we've been out this way, Mount Vernon, Ohio. We stopped in here previously, about a week or so before the filming of this, and decided this place was very good. Wanted to share it with you. Ichhiban Sushi and Hibachi Restaurant.
Are we celebrate something anyone's birthday?
Nope,
Just cool.
just cold.
Can you hold her hand?
Yes, I can hold her hand. Oh,
Maybe just a touch of a hand.
awesome, chef. Woo! Yeah.
You wanna try? No.
No, I pass.
All right. Watch out, you have to be careful your hair. This grill is on fire.
Woo!
This grill is on fire.
Woo! Feel the heat off that.
Oh my God, I hurt my hair.
Good.
Sweating.
I hurt my hair. Alright. Vegetables from Walmart. Vegetables, I like it. See, loving it. Alright. I believe I can find. Baby oil from Johnson & Johnson,
Yeah.
not from Didi. Okay.
Not from Diddy.
No, that's from Johnson & Johnson. Do you know what it is, man?
Fine.
Do you know what it is?
It's an egg.
It's a baby chicken.
Baby chicken.
Baby
Oh.
chicken fried. Whee!
Whee!
I'm sorry, I killed the baby chicken died. The baby, oh. That's a boy. Baby chicken is a boy. Baby powder.
It was very good last time, so we had to come back.
Yeah, I remember I cooked for you like last week.
Yeah, about a week ago, yeah.
Yeah, you said you live like 30 minutes or 45 minutes from here, right?
Yeah.
About 30 minutes, yeah.
And you said you were pretty new here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You said you pretty new here? You haven't been here
I'm from the kitchen.
from
I'm
oh,
just kidding. Yeah,
you just started cooking.
I'm from Seattle. Yeah, I worked here for 2 months, I think. Excuse me, be careful hot. Careful hot. even pecoral.
Really, he is doing very good for it being his first day out of the kitchen.
Yep.
He's pretty good. Maybe they'll give you a raise.
You can tell that to my boss, okay?
Okay.
About that.
How long does it take you to learn to do like your trick?
Okay, so basically the hibachi is entertainment. That's why I try to entertain you by singing. A lot of my friends, they do like ukulele, they play violin. Yeah, but a lot of people, the mainstream is about that spatula thing. Like, but now on, they change, hibachi change. Sometimes, like I do, sometimes I'm joking. But it's like, oh, you have a beautiful sister. And he will say, no, this is not my sister, this is my wife.
My
Really?
cousin.
Last week you can with different wife, not this one, for example, like that. Excuse me, be careful hot. Careful hot. You look hungry.
Yes, very.
Thank you. What do you think for my second day? Can you try it? Maybe too salty, too spicy.
Good.
Not bad for my second day.
Not bad.
Bad.
Pretty good.
Might see you next week.
Hope you next week. Okay. You want some yum yum sauce? Any sauce?
Yes.
Please.
Get it, yum, 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 yum. I call this Justin Bieber sauce. Justin Bieber sauce.
Justin Bieber.
Yes, ma'am. I know that's not your era.
Oh. Oh.
I didn't say old. I just say that's not your era.
Oh.
See, like the song I. Oh, not that one. See, like
You better go harder.
now you're rising the morning sun. I feel your touch in the pouring rain.
Harder.
I see the red door and I want it painted black. You need more sauce, man?
Good.
Some people ask me, like, you have a big grill. Why you not put together rice and noodle and vegetables and chicken? It's some
Because
people,
the center's the only one that's really hot, right?
the center is really hot, and the second problem, chicken is content salmonella. So if I cook together, some customer like, oh,
Yeah.
even for example, I'm not touching the chicken. Chicken over here, vegetable over here. I'm not touching the chicken. Some customer can be like, oh, that's a chicken near with the vegetables or maybe with the rice. some customers don't like it.
Yeah.
That's why I try to put everything on a plate and then mix later. If I cook maybe steak or shrimp, I can cook together. Especially like, how do you like your steak cooked? I like it well done. Okay, you like a beef jerky. You like a beef jerky? I can cook together with rice and vegetables.
That's
If
good.
the chicken,
That's good, chef. That's good.
yeah, if the chicken, even with Joe you can cook together, no problem, I'm fine. But maybe if other people come in and they see it, they don't like it.
Right.
So if I get a steak well done, I'm gonna eat jerky.
It sounds like it.
Yeah.
Oh, you like beef jerky?
Yeah, I like my steak well done.
Oh my god. I know it. That's why I say about beef jerky. I can see on your forehead, it's like, I like beef jerky. My steak well done. Okay, I'm just kidding. Sorry. Are you vegetarian? Oh, you're not vegetarian. You want to try the chicken? No. You lucky, sir. I'm gonna steal it from you before. Thank you. Everything good? Everything okay?
Everything good. Very good, chef.
Thank you so much, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah. All right.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's